my vlog. It's Mayora. Welcome to my vlog. It's Mayora. Welcome to Manila. Sa Manila na po tayo. Ito po. In Sukat. See? We're going to... Ano ba yun? Venice. Taguig?
Yes.
It is on Taguig. You see? We're in Sukat, Tawid-Tawid. This is the Philippines view. So guys, ayan. Toll gate. Nika! Say hi! Kuya Jimwell! My gala buddy! We are just trip for now. Guys, nice view actually. It's nice to be here. We're going to Venice, Venice. Ayan guys, on the way to Alabang, that is the one, and this one to Bikutan. And you see there, that is the sea around. Makikita na po yung dagat doon sa kalayuan. Nice, ang sarap ng hangin. Sarap-sarap ng hangin guys. Wow. Ayan guys, doon tayo sasakay. Makita nyo yun, yung Alabang Lowtown. Lowtown. So, this is the one. Read. It is nice because we are in the overpass. It's crossing and connecting to all the areas. Malapit na pala yung dagat doon, no? So, yung dagat na.
Ano ma?
Malapit na pala yung dagat.
Oh, sumod.
Yeah. Ito papunta doon sa...
Hindi kami nagkigaging lulilit eh.
Oh? Sa gilid ng dagat. Ayan guys. Kami guys. Sukat Paranaque. See doon. Baba na. Let's go pa. It's here. Ha? Dali. Run. Lalakad pa daw kami pag baba namin ng ano. Yan, ito na guys, dito tayo. Lalakad pa daw kami. So, Barangay Sukat. We are in Barangay Sukat, guys. Ayun, guys.
High school ni Tita Lalay.
Ano yun? Ano school?
Colegio de Muntinlupa. Puro pang-engineer lang.
Talaga?
Yan.
Di malapit lang naman. Mukhang malapit eh. Kaso, wala pang street dito, diretso.
Hindi. Oh,
Ito
walang
na.
diretsong biyahe.
Pero malapit na yan, magkakaroon na rin yan dyan siguro.
Ano lang po yan?
Ah?
Tricycle ka lang, papunta doon.
Oh, dito lang siya nasakay?
Oh, sakay ka ng tricycle, tapos dire-diretso dito. Lapit lang oh.
Kuya nga. Diyan ka na rin mag-aral, ayaw mo? Ayaw mo mag-aral sa Colegio de Muntinlupa, Building 2, Building 4, Building 3. Ayan guys. But, you want to study in UST. Sa UST ka gusto mag-aral. Inshallah. Ayun yung building na bago.
Ano yan?
Condo.
Parang Assure.
Assure.
Staycation yun.
Yun guys. Assure. Staycation. Papasok. Papasok. Dito tayo?
Doon po sa terminal.
You know, yung may highway na doon, papasok.
Meron.
Okay. Nice. Guys, we are here. Another trip. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell. Like, shares, and comment.